Welcome back again, dear all students. Today, right now, we're gonna discuss about HTML another elements, which is called select. This is actually most of the time you have noticed that you can select from a list of same group from the drop down list box from the drop down list box. How does actually you can make it, how you can create that drop down list, uh, which is one I'm going to show you now. Let's go to the code and then deselect the code of bunch of code that I have created before. Here we go. So now you know what the level is for, so I don't want to discuss about this. This is about the car, so level for cars, and in between level you just write down choose a car, and then select is the starting opening tag to create the drop down list, and in between that code you need to write down option. Each of the value, each of the list, I mean the total list, you can write one after one after one. So here is the list of cars. So first car is Volvo, second car is Saab, and third car Fiat and Audi. Fourth, Audi is the fourth. So ID here, ID is cars because we want to connect this select with this level. So that's why um, we have created ID cars and level for cars. Same. The name also cars because it's about cars. You can put anything you like. So option value always you need to remember value is used actually to collect the value that the user has selected. So in from the drop down list, if someone select Volvo, then the value would be Volvo from here. If they select Saab, it will be Saab from here. And I want to tell you one more thing, that by default, if you don't make any of the list, any of the drop down list selected, by default it will select the first one. I mean the here is the first one is Volvo, so Volvo will be auto selected by default after you generate this code. So the second option, third option, fourth option is exactly the same. It's just the name is different. Opening tag of option, closing tag option, opening tag, closing tag option, and so on. So let's see how does it looks like. Then you will understand how does this code work in the browser. So I'm in the browser now. Just refresh it. You will see. Here we go. Choose a car is because of this level. This is the level of the result is here. So I didn't put any BR here. That's why all the drop down list box has came just after car colon here, because I didn't put the BR here. If I put BR, it will go down. Look, but it doesn't look good, so I'll keep it as it was. Sorry, what am I what have I done? So control Z, yeah. So let's refresh. Yeah, so here what did I told you, that first one will be selected automatically because we didn't make selected of any of the list, like not Volvo, not Saab, not Fiat, not Audi. That's why the first one is the Volvo. That's why it's showing here Volvo. And if you want to select other, you want to see that the certain list on the top, or you want it to be visible here, so you can do that. Like all you need to do, instead of Volvo, write down selected. Look, selected. So that means now if you refresh it, you see as soon as you refresh, SAAB is been showing on the top, on the first selected uh, from the drop down menu. I hope you understood why the selected has been using. So I don't want to make it, I don't want to show the sub is in the front. I want it to be default. So leave it like that and refresh it. It will be back to Volvo. So I hope you understood how does that drop down menu can be created, can be made, and how does it manipulated. If you have any question, you can ask me. I'm trying my best to explain everything as much as possible. Please don't scare me. Please don't feel shy to ask me any question. I will get back to you as quick as I can. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.